Hi everyone, this is Liz. Today I want to talk about my article writing, The Sound of Life. Singing is more than just a performance, but a way of thinking and living. When showering in the morning, I like to sing opera songs in the shower room. A simple au sole meal would make my day filled with energy. When driving in the car alone, I like to sing hymns. This makes me feel as if nothing is too difficult. When my mom sings, everyone in the house knows that she is in a good mood. Singing can be functional. I always learn different languages starting by singing. The melody will bear the weight of words and let memorizing it becomes easier. Singing is also a genius way to keep track of time. In Galileo's time, there was no watch or mechanical timer. When his experiment requires timekeeping, he sang to measure time. Furthermore, our government has been promoting washing hands should last 30 seconds during COVID-19. Rather than boringly counting 30 seconds, they suggest the public, especially young kids, sing the happy birthday song while washing hands. It will be exactly 30 seconds. Last but not least, singing helps improve coordination. During school years, we often have to sing in a group. It requires careful listening to reach the feeling of togetherness. My classmates and I always got closer each time after performing collective songs. Some have higher pitch, some have a lower pitch, and some cannot find the right pitch. But when we sing together, it's about coordination. The song can only reach harmony when we figure out how to work together. Overall, this is what I want to express. Singing is more than having a good pitch or bad pitch, but is a way of life. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for listening.